The average hospital bill has at least one error. Most people pay it anyway because they don't know they can fight it. I am furious about this, and after today, you should be too. Hospitals send bills that are thousands of dollars higher than what they're legally required to charge, and they count on you being too confused, too scared, or too exhausted to push back. Here's what they won't tell you. Hospitals have what's called a charge master, an internal price list that can be 3 to 10 times higher than what insurance companies actually pay. If you're uninsured or out of network, you often get billed at those inflated charge master rates. That's not a mistake. That's a system designed to extract maximum money from the people least able to fight back. But here's the thing, you can negotiate. And hospitals negotiate all the time. Step 1. Request an itemized bill. Not a summary. The actual line-by-line itemized statement. You are legally entitled to this. If they resist, say, I am requesting my itemized bill under my patient rights. That usually ends the conversation. Step 2. Look for duplicate charges. A common scam is charging for the same medication twice, once from the pharmacy, once from the nursing station. Look for upcoding, where a routine office visit gets billed as a complex consultation. Look for services marked physician fee on top of the facility fee. Sometimes the exact same service gets charged twice under different names. Step 3. Call the billing department and say these exact words. I'd like to apply for your financial assistance program. Every nonprofit hospital is required by law to have one. Even if you're not broke, you may qualify. Many hospitals have programs for people making up to 400% of the federal poverty level. Step 4. Ask for this self-pay discount. If you can pay in full today, many hospitals will reduce your bill by 20 to 40% immediately. Step 5. If you still can't afford it, set up a payment plan. Hospitals cannot send you to collections while you're in an active payment plan. Even $50 a month counts. And if they do send you to collections anyway, dispute it immediately with the credit bureaus. Medical debt under $500 was removed from credit reports in 2023. Larger amounts have a 1-year grace period before they can affect your credit. You have more leverage than you think. Hospitals would rather collect 60 cents on the dollar than nothing at all. Use that leverage. Get the itemized bill, find the errors, ask for assistance, and negotiate. The hospital is a business. Treat this like a transaction, because that's exactly what it is. And if you want a complete guide to fighting every kind of medical bill, denied claims, surprise billing, and prior auth appeals, I have a step-by-step guide at funbiz.gumroad.com. You already paid for your health with your premiums. Don't let them take the rest of it too. Get the complete medical bill fighter guide at https://funbiz.gumroad.com.